Hello everyone, I am back with 5 tips of making your remote classroom effective today. I know we all are remotely connected with our children where we get to see our classroom virtually and we try to establish a very strong connection with our children. In this process of creating cognition of thinking establishment, we try to reinforce so many activities but few only clicks. So today, through my experiences, I'm going to share 5 tips that is miraculously good and it brings the liveliness in the classroom. First, create your own classroom wall. If you're a science teacher, take a wall of your house where in front you sit, which is well illuminated and it is well ventilated, so that your vibes are reaching to your children. Create your wall in such a way that it is a medium of delivering message. If you are a mathematics teacher, ensure the formulas are listed, the application based mathematic problems are given, or probably you establish a chart which shows the importance of your subject. If you're a science teacher, beautiful concept oriented charts you can prepare and pin it on your wall. Also, if you're an English teacher, create a sight you can also come up with creating a vocabulary corner. That is a first tip of creating an effective classroom. Second, ensure that you adopt gaming strategy when you are teaching children of age group 3 years to 10 years. Moving forward to 13 years also it is applicable. Adopt flashcards, adopt TLMs, adopt different gaming strategy when you teach them, because remote learning survey says only 20 minutes of screen time children can focus at the max, not more than that. When you bring in different gaming strategy, the classroom becomes fun loving and interesting. Third, do not be strict with your children because that hampers the communication since you are remotely connected with them. Ensure that you create a virtual connection with each one. You try to reach them first and then you start teaching. Fourth methodology which you have to adapt is the dress code. Be proper when you sit in front of your children so that you look presentable as how you used to look in brick and mortar school. It gives a vibe to the children that my teacher is back and we are back in the classroom, though it is virtual. Ensure that you give the same instruction to your children, switch on the video and ensure that you are properly dressed, presentable, because when we are presentable, our mind and body sync together to learn something new, something good, to explore something more. The fifth point is develop a connectivity over phone also. Ensure that your timetable is having an eye connect session when you take 10 to 15 minutes of your daytime and ring up the child to understand whether the child is healthy, reading good, something new the child. In that way, you can create an amazing bonding with your children. The classroom becomes effective irrespective of whichever level you are teaching. Being a good reacher really matters, then which will fetch you the need of being a good teacher. Till then, stay tuned. See you in my next video with some more inputs. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.